We're going to talk about bunkers here. These bunkers are over 12 years old now, and when they were rebuilt, we put liners in, fabric liners, to try to preserve the integrity of the sand, which they worked very well actually, but still over time the sand breaks down and develops fines, pollutants come in naturally, and of course when you have these lips like this, these exposed lips, you're prone to get some fines washing in as well. This golf course takes an inch of rain pretty well generally. It depends a little bit how it comes. If it comes in fast and hard, the conditions don't get quite so bad, but this rain actually was a long lingering rain off and on yesterday, and then overnight we got another 1/4 inch. So you can see how the sand here is turning into slop and not draining very well at all. This happens slowly over time, so you really don't recognize it as readily. It's not like a switch where all of a sudden you get it. But this will continue to deteriorate and get worse, and after rains of even lesser amounts, it will become more and more evident as they continue to age. Of course, the way to fix this is to extract the old sand, clean up the drainage that's underneath, put in new erosion control material down, whether it's the Billy Bunker, capillary concrete, or the fabric, and then install new sand. Okay, this is our test bunker here on number 12. We have several of them, but this one here, we designed the test to evaluate the Billy Bunker, capillary concrete, and then the fabric. And this first third right here that you're looking at has the fabric underneath. This is the way we treated our bunkers about 13 years ago. Then you get into the center section here, which has the capillary concrete, and then the last third is the Billy Bunker. You can kind of see now after an inch and 1/4 of rain. First of all, the whole bunker looks great. It's all functional, but you can see the color of the sand, especially up near the lip. You see the darker color there to your right. I got it pretty much centered in the screen. To the left, so to the left is the Billy Bunker. You can see the sand, the consistency is all very much the same. That's what you want. Capillary concrete, you can see the sand takes on a slightly darker tint. I hope you can see in this video, and out here in person you can see it. And then a slightly darker tint even yet, more so with the fabric. So what this is telling me is that the Billy Bunker treatment underneath the same sand, this is all about 4 inches of sand over the entire bunker, is allowing the sand to stay drier. The water is going through the sand readily, hits that gravel layer underneath the sand, and doesn't slow down a bit and continues to drain on through. So based on this one-time evaluation, I'm going to say the Billy Bunker treatment allows your sand to perform better after rain events. Even though all three are doing well, the Billy Bunker seems to be the best.